Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Avoid cooking corn for too long. If you have super fresh corn, which can even be eaten raw, it's a waste of time to cook for the common recommended time of 20 or more minutes, says Jones. Overcooking can also result in chewy and firm kernels. You can steam for 8 to 10 minutes or less, or even use the microwave.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As soon as corn is picked, the kernels begin to gradually become dry and tough because the corn loses moisture and the sugars convert to starch. Cold temperatures slow this process, so store the corn in the refrigerator.
Take our lead.
Cooking corn in salted water makes it chewy and tough. Salt weakens the exterior of the kernels, causing them to rupture and shrivel. Instead, add a little honey to the water, which helps the kernels stay intact and also enhances the corn's natural sweetness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.